I think we'll be all right. Hi, welcome back. This morning, I'm gonna keep it kind of short today, getting out before work. But I think I'm gonna start with the inner rocker, kind of getting it fit and maybe tack down. But for sure, we'll fit the pan, maybe do a little bit more grinding along that back edge. Try and get it cleaned up a little bit more. Still got a lot of cleanup to do on the transmission tunnel. But I'm kind of bored of just grinding and painting, or mainly just grinding. So we'll start fitting the inner rocker and hopefully getting that one kind of in there today. But other than that, we won't do much more. Don't got much time out here. But I've been cleaning, so almost got my bench over here cleaned off. We're gonna come in here every night for an hour and a half or 2 hours. Let the kiddos go to sleep and just pick up stuff. We got a lot of that to do. But anyways, let's head over there and I'll show you what I plan on doing today. See, it does look a little bit better over here. I still has to go to the back barn. And that goes to the back barn. And I haven't touched this part here, but a lot of this stuff is gonna go to Goodwill or whatnot. And toolbox, I think almost everything's in it. Need to throw that away. Got that done. Took till about midnight, but kids like it. They've been enjoying it. And over here. And basically today, just gonna grind some welds right here back for right now, and fit the inner rocker. We'll get that kind of tacked down and hopefully welded. I do think I need more spot weld holes, maybe. We'll see. I may have to come back underneath it and weld to these. And this one, I'm not sure if I can even weld to it, but we'll try. But that's what I plan on doing today. Just grinding this back a little bit and fitting and starting welding the inner rocker again. This didn't turn out too bad, especially right through here, but it's kind of bad back here. You can kind of see better now how it looks. But the top portion, I think it turned out okay. Can't really tell. Have work to do there still. Don't like how that looks. And work right back here. Gotta grind that down a little bit better and of course get this through here. But today we'll focus on this little section here and the inner rocker. Kind of a change of pace, I guess. Anyways, let's get to work. I think we got it pretty good. Don't like all the gouges in it, but it's really hard to grind this down back here, but it's relatively flat. That spot, I could go over a little bit more, but I think now we're gonna put the inner rocker on, do a little bit of welding. Hopefully we get someone attached today. Well, we got interrocker in on the front part. So we got a slight overhang here, which is in now, so you can really go back and fix it unless we drill these spot welds. I think we can make that work. I think that can actually be bent out just a tad, but got pretty good welds. Things holding, need to do a little bit more filling. And I'm surprised these held as well as they did here. Now, we're gonna have to come back in here and kind of tack this together best we can. And kind of keep it straight through here as we go. We got a lot of gap to build all the way through. I think we'll be all right. Sorry, grind that down. So I think next time we'll probably put some tacks in this, grind a bit more, maybe grind this down here, and finish up the rest of that because it's easier getting there without the kick panel on. And so we'll get this attached better here. That way it's not all flopping around. And we'll start getting the kick panel ready. Need to get the door pillar, try to fit the door. We may try to fit the passenger side door. Not sure which door I have. Driver's side door. So we'll stick with the driver's side and try to get this all fitted up, and hopefully we can get the doors hung and move along. That's all I got time for this morning. See y'all next time.